nararamdaman ko may iikot, at least 2.
Ay, salamat!
I've got a fire for a heart. I'm not scared of the dark. You never
may
said it's so easy. I've got a river for the soul. And baby, you're a boat. And baby, you're my only reason. I didn't have you, it would be nothing left. Shell of a man who can never be his best. If I didn't have you, I'd never see the sun. You taught me how to be someone. Yeah, all my life you stood by me. No one else was ever behind me. All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me. All my life you stood by me. No one else was ever behind me.
He's as cute as you think he is.
These lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me down. Nobody, nobody can drag me down, yeah. Nobody can drag me down. Nobody can drag me down.
Ano sabi ko? At least 2 ang iikot.
Nakakatawa naman tong batang to. Hi, Iho. What's your name?
Marcus Romeo Barango Brasha.
Lahat ng hula ko nagkakatotoo. Isa pang hula to. Tingnan nyo, ha? Oh, magiging sobrang gwapo ako ngayon lang. Oh, nagkatotoo din.
Hi, Marcos. Ilan taon ka na?
7 years old po.
7 years old! Marcos, pwede ka magkwento ng konti sa amin tungkol sa mga magulang mo?
Si Mami po, Mana po, sa akin, yung lakas ng loob. Si Daddy po, yung boses ko.
So, mana yung mga magulang mo sa'yo? Kakaiba, ha?
Kasi ito, ganda ng boses nito, pero walang lakas ng loob.
Oo, ako naman, walang katalent-talent, lakas ng loob lang talaga. Di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
Yeah, Marcos, hindi ako umikot kasi there were some points lang that for me it just didn't work lang. Pero masaya ako na umikot both coaches for you. So good luck to you, Marcos, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, Marcos. I liked your song choice kasi napaingganyo lahat ng audience dito, pati kami. It was just so much fun to watch you with everything you were doing. Sana ako yung piliin mong coach. This is moldable, yung potential mo ang taas.
Marcos, like you said, moldable talaga. So parang imagine mo ganyang kataas na boses, tapos di ba matuturuan mo na nagigil. Sana sa akin ka sumama. So kahit sino naman sa amin piliin mo.
Oo.
Dahil ito po ang idol ni Mami at ni Daddy. Siya din ang pipiliin ko. Ang pipiliin kong coach ay si Coach Leia.
I knew it could go anywhere. I'm so happy!
Oh my goodness!
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Marcos, with a Z.